it might be that automation would help most in the specialty cases. And I wanted to double click on
my
that.
hypothesis. Yeah.
Yeah, that's interesting because normally, normally folks think of, well, let's automate like the bread and butter, the simple stuff because it's so high volume. But you're pointing out something else, which these can be so complicated that it's worth having an automated double check on them. I think that's what you're telling me.
Well, but it's because it's so complex and it's usually very manual. What incremental benefits can come from automating the intake or doing the check so that the real time is spent analyzing the data that's in that submission as opposed to just getting the data in the door for that submission, if that makes sense, right? Gotcha. Because there's some of those specialty lines just are so complex that they are always going to need that they're not going to be one of those risks that you do just pass through the system and say like it's table stakes. So you may not the automation isn't going to happen end to end on those, but to automate a piece of it to then spend the time where the true value of that underwriting function sits within that line, I think is an area that is ripe for the benefits of intelligent automation.
Yeah.